Looking for the best solar pool heaters? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 solar pool heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Intex solar cover for 18 feet diameter easy set and frame pools. Fits frame pools and easy set above ground pools very well, with no trimming needed if ordered to size. A nicely fitting solar cover for above ground pools, but it doesn't hold up to chlorine and UV rays. Cover can disintegrate after just a few months, scattering blue dots all over the bottom of the pool. At number 2. Splash pools, 12 solar blanket for round pools. Light enough for one person to float onto the pool surface without breaking surface tension. Heats the pool surface quickly on sunny and on hazy days. Stays in place even on windy days. Easy to take on and off the pool surface, though its thin construction means its service life is only about 1 season. Deteriorates quickly in high heat. Cover is a little smaller than its listed diameter. Doesn't heat well in cooler climates. At number 1. Blue Wave, 18 featuring round 8mm solar blanket for above ground pools. Can raise a pool's surface temperature by 10 to 15 degrees on sunny days, and as much as 20 degrees in some climates. Very durable despite its thin construction. Durable but lightweight, this solar cover fits above ground pools well and does an impressive job heating the surface on sunny days. Damage to its bubbles will reduce its performance, though. Doesn't hold heat at all. Will have trouble fitting certain pool rims, even at the correct size. Bubbles may flatten out with storage, reducing its heating capability. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.